I just got this order. It came from Speed Cube Shop. Yeah, it just came. I bought it like a few days ago. So yeah, I'm gonna be unboxing it. It's the Mofang Jioshi RS4, and I don't want to cut it actually. I'm just gonna try it. There. Okay. So I haven't seen any videos on this at all. I don't know. Oh my. Can you just come out? Okay, there. Okay, there we go. Moyu box and everything. So yeah, this cube costs like $15. It's magnetic, so 4x4. Okay. Let me just get it opened. Okay, accessories, and there it is. Oh, there we go. Okay, well, here's the cube. And there we go, it's on the stand. The Moyu stand. But the green one. First, before I open that, I'm gonna see what's in the accessories box. Screwdriver. And some of these. Okay, I guess they're like business cards, right? These are even smaller than normal 3x3 manuals. And I can't read them. That helps me. Okay, so screwdriver. Cool. Also, these. Not sure if you needed to, yeah. Anyways. So yeah, okay. Now the actual cube. I guess you just... And there we go. I can immediately tell those magnets are just... It's a bit loud right now. I didn't get the custom... There's definitely magnets in there. Also, this is loud, because, I don't know. I don't think it's got that much lube. Even if it even has lube. Does it? Okay. How far does it corner cut here? How did I mess that up? I mean, anyways, I can just do a solve. I don't know. I'm not that accurate at turning. It's definitely loud, I know that. I think I could probably fix the loudness. With just like loosening or something. Is it even that loud? Also, I just messed up my cross. Wow. Certainly better than my last 4x4. What was that? Certainly better than my last 4x4. I'm not sure, like, what are really good 4x4s, like, exactly? Like, what would be considered a really good 4x4? Okay, now how do I access the screws? Do I just... Well, yeah, that'd do it. Anyways, my first Moyu screwdriver! I can collect these, yay! I don't know. So this would be on the stand, I guess? I don't know. I might use this, but, like, I don't think I'm gonna. Like, maybe I might use it, but I doubt it. Actually... Yeah, I don't know. The magnets are definitely there in the inner layers. Here, so if I just hold this side and it just turns, well, sometimes, okay. Those middle layers have just strong magnets. Okay, now for everyone's favorite part, the corner cutting. I wouldn't expect a 4x4. Well, it's about one. Yeah, it about goes to like. It about lines up in the middle, and that makes sense. And as for the inside layers, it's like. Yeah, not that good. It about goes line for line, I think. Yeah, okay. I'm just gonna mix it up. Oh. I don't know. And it's definitely a lot better than the last one I had. This thing. Yeah, a piece kind of came out. And, like, then the whole thing fell apart. Now here, this one? Oh, never mind. I'm trying to put this back together. But yeah, I can definitely feel the magnets on the RS4. And I think they help. So, yeah, that's it for this video. I think I'm gonna make a 4x4 tutorial. So, yeah. Stay tuned, and goodbye.